Ever heard your doctor say, "Let's check your HCG levels," and felt a little lost? What is HCG? And what does it mean when the numbers go up or down? Let's break it down. HCG stands for human chorionic gonadotropin. It's a hormone your body starts making right after a fertilized egg implants in the uterus. This is the hormone that turns a pregnancy test positive and helps support the early stages of pregnancy by boosting progesterone. While you can find it in urine, a blood test gives a much more accurate reading. So, what does it mean when HCG is rising? In a healthy early pregnancy, HCG levels typically double every 48 to 72 hours. This steady rise is a great sign that implantation was successful and the pregnancy is developing as it should. But remember, there's a huge range of what's considered normal, so try not to compare your numbers with others. It's your personal trend that matters. On the other hand, what if your HCG levels are falling or not rising as they should? This could, unfortunately, signal an issue like a chemical pregnancy, a miscarriage, or an ectopic pregnancy. If you notice your HCG levels are dropping in early pregnancy, it's really important to get it checked out by your doctor right away. But here's the thing, HCG can sometimes be confusing. It might rise slowly or double later than expected, and the pregnancy can still be perfectly healthy. That's why doctors don't just look at one single number. They look at the trend over time, and they often combine HCG results with an ultrasound for a complete picture. So, when should you definitely see a doctor? If you experience severe pain or bleeding, or if your HCG is rising very slowly or falling. HCG is a guide, not a final verdict. It's the pattern, not the panic, that truly matters. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful info.